Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this video covers my top picks of Amazon Black Friday deals for overlanding and camping for 2024. I've included the links to all these products in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to smash down that subscribe button. I'm posting weekly how-to and review videos for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to follow along. All right, let's get into it. And my first pick is a great stocking stuffer. It's a Luminade solar lantern. These lanterns are super handy to have, not only for overlanding and camping, but also for emergency use in the wintertime to keep in your vehicle. In case you become stranded somewhere, you need a little bit of light, or to recharge your phone. You can recharge this lantern through the solar panel here at the top, or through the USB port. And this is also where you can charge your phone through here. They're super compact and handy to have. You just simply blow them up. And my wife and I use these often when we were traveling full time to light the inside of our camper. That way we could save power on our house batteries. They're offered in many different sizes and colors. Number 2 on my list is the Bogue RV Rocky 55 dual zone refrigerator. Now this one in particular is actually the 41 quart, but the 55 quart is on sale right now for almost half off. It's a deal that just can't be passed up. This is a great fridge for overlanding, off-roading, camping, even around the house or in the shop. The fact that you can have a dual zone refrigerator is really nice. That way you can set up one side as a freezer, one side as a fridge. Both of them could be freezer or both of them could be fridge. And this is a great product because it also has a separately purchased battery bank that can plug into it so that it runs continuously. So right now it's actually on, even though it's not plugged into the wall. And it can run for about 4 hours when it's 89 degrees out and set to 32 degrees for the fridge temp. You can also monitor it remotely through Bluetooth app. Overall, I really like this Rocky fridge. The number 3 on my list of Black Friday must-haves is the portable battery for the Rocky fridge. It slides in and out here. The good thing is they're durable. You could check the battery level by pushing the button here. So now it's off. And it's telling me it's full charge. And it just slides right in. Just like that. The cool thing is that it does charge through the fridge. So you can see here, I'll turn this on. And it's going ahead and firing up the fridge. So immediately you can see, it's on. It gives you that nice beep to let you know the fridge is on. These are 173 watt hour batteries. Let's purchase these separately. And if you're gonna be buying the Rocky fridge, I highly recommend buying these portable power banks. They've got a really good sale right now on them. And this will allow you to have that continual use of the fridge. If you shut your vehicle off and it's not feeding it power, this will allow it to continuously run and keep it going, or you wanna set it by the fire and not have to plug it in, you name it. Now I believe this portable power bank actually works for a lot of other Bogue RV fridges, so if you have a different fridge and you've been in the market for a portable power bank, definitely want to check this out for the Black Friday deals. Number 4 on the list is the Presto Nomad slow cooker. Now this is a 6 quart slow cooker that runs off AC power. It's got a nice low profile design so that you can take it with you on the road, off-road. My wife and I really like the Presto Nomad slow cooker for travel days. It just makes traveling so much better when you can prepare a meal and you got a 2-3 hour drive. And when you arrive at your campsite, dinner is ready. And that is something that we really appreciate on travel days, especially those long haul days when you've been driving a lot and just kind of snacking all day, trying to get there. And you set up camp. Nobody really wants to cook dinner, especially if it's dark out. And guess what? You already prepared ahead of time and you've got dinner ready. We highly recommend this Presto Nomad slow cooker. All right, number 5 on our list is a great stocking stuffer. It's the small but mighty Acner Boulder LC40 rechargeable flashlight. I really like this rechargeable flashlight because it is USB rechargeable. It's very, very bright. It's over 400 lumens. There's multiple different settings. It's got strobe, SOS, high, low, medium. Very handy and compact flashlight to have. It's got a pretty bright LED. My wife and I, Stasha, really like this for if we're pulling into a site and you just want to like step out and look around and make sure you're not going to run over anything you shouldn't park on, or helping me maneuver into a spot. The Acner Boulder flashlight is very handy to have. Highly recommend checking this one out for a Black Friday list. And it's a great stocking stuffer size. Next up is the Villy portable camping table. It's a lightweight aluminum table, comes in a carry case, has fold out legs. We really like this table just for having around the campfire. This is the 24-inch camp table. It's not super tall, but it is really good for, putting between a couple chairs by the fire, or simply food prep, setting things off, either washing dishes whatever it is, whether it be around the campfire, hunting, the garage, you name it. It's super lightweight. So as you can see, for the 24-inch table, it breaks down really easy, really small. Number 7 is another great stocking stuffer. It is the Boulder Tools air down kit. Personally, I've always just used the old air down like pin tools to air my tires down. It takes way longer than necessary. You fine tune these based on your tire size. You can screw this in and then just pull the pin, and like for instance, I've set these to about 20 PSI. So for my 35 by 12.5-inch tire with 17-inch rims, it's set for that volume of air. So all I have to do is screw this on and it starts airing down, and it stops at 20 PSI, which I have it set to. I will walk around the vehicle, take caps off, screw this on. By the time I get to about the 4th tire, it's almost done airing down, and I just simply take them back off and put the caps back on, walk back around, and I'm done. So if you're a big off-roader and you're airing up and airing down a lot, highly recommend the Boulder Tools kit. This is a great stocking stuffer, or if you're just looking for a deal. All right, so if you're airing down for off-road, you're gonna need to air back up. So check out the Via Air 450p portable air compressor. This is a great kit for anyone looking for a portable kit to air up with, rather than mounting like one of those ARB compressors underneath the hood. I really like this one because I can swap it between my F-150 and my Bronco, and I don't have to have a compressor for both vehicles. It has a hose long enough that when I'm connected on my F-150, I can actually reach my rear tires on my 21-foot travel trailer. It is DC powered, so all you gotta do is hook it up to a battery and it's ready to rip. This is a great compressor for up to a 35-inch tire. I will say it takes a little bit longer for up to a 35, but it is much more efficient than any of those like cheap Cobalt or whatever small compressors there are out there. Definitely check out the Via Air 450p portable air compressor. All right, so continuing on the theme of off-road recovery, number 9 on our list is the Bunker Industries Metal Series recovery boards. These are great recovery boards for wider tires, like a 12.5-inch tire. They're a lot bigger than most recovery boards. They have these metal scallops on the end so you can really grab that tread and throw it underneath the tire. It has replaceable teeth, so if you do get a little bit of tire spin and you wear these down, you can replace them. They have the nice deep tread pattern here so they grip well in sand, mud, or snow. Cool thing is you can flip them over and you get a nice jack-based surface, so if you're stuck in the sand and you need to do a tire change, you need something to lay your jack on so it doesn't just keep pushing down in the sand. Highly recommend checking these out. And this wraps up my list of Amazon Black Friday deals for 2024, covering overlanding and off-road products. I've included links to all of these products in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button to follow along for more videos. If there's any other products you recommend for 2024, make sure to drop that in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.